Get up!
He cannot move. We need to carry his cross. He can't go on.
You get over here. What do you want from me?
This criminal can't carry his cross by himself anymore.
I can't do this. It's none of my business. Get someone else.
Hey, you! Do as I tell you.
Simon of Cyrene helps Jesus to carry his cross. We adore you, O Christ, and we bless you. Because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world.
Daddy, today I am going to the old age home to give some food for them. I called my friend to help me out in this matter. They have promised me that they would be here at 10 a.m.
It's a good idea, my dear.
Hi, sorry to tell you that we are not able to come to the old age home. Kindly excuse us.
Daddy, I am not going.
What happened, my son?
My friends are not coming.
Do not worry, my son. I am there with you. Let us go. Many youths are ready to help to uplift the family, uplift their own self, and uplift the society. But they step back because they feel they are not helped or encouraged. But there are people whom God has arranged indirectly to help such people to fulfill their desires. Prayer. Lord, help me to do my little bit of contribution to assist those who are in need, especially when my neighbor suffers or a member of our own family or at work being exploited. Have mercy on us, O Lord. Have mercy on us.